Hey everyone, welcome back to Tavian. Today we are diving into the super useful lead code problem, the next greater element 1. This one of those problems that look simple until it's not. But don't worry, in this video I will walk you through how to solve it step by step, explain the logic and show you the most efficient solution using a stack. So whether you are preparing for coding interviews or just sharpening your skills, this problem is must know. So grab your editor and let's break it down together. So let's get started. Guys, let's start to solve a 496 question binary of next greater I. So I means 1, okay. So let's start. So first of all we understand what is the question is trying to say to us, then will we start to solve it in the lead code camp. So let's understand the question now. The next greater element of some element x in an array is the first greater element that is to right of x in the same array. Now, it hasn't given me a two distinct 0 minus index integer arrays. One name is nums1 and second name is nums2, where nums1 is a subset of nums2. Okay, for each 0 less than equals to I, nums1 dot length, we want to find the index j such that nums1 square bracket I equals to nums2 square bracket j, and we want to determine the next greater element of nums2 square bracket j in nums2. If there is no next greater element, then the answer for the query is -1. Means that if there is not any next greater element, so then our answer for this query is -1. Okay. Now, our task. What is our task is in today's solving video? What is our task? Let me tell you. We want to return an array ans of length nums1 dot length such that ans square bracket I is next greater element as described above. Okay, as described you on the above. Now, example 1. If you see here, he get one nums1 integer array in which he wrote in down 4, 1, 2. Okay, and then here he get one more integer array by the name of nums2 in which he wrote in down 1, 3, 4, 2. Okay, and the output is coming -1, 3 and -1. Now, why this type of output I am coming? Because the next greater element for each value of nums1 is as follows. Like 4 is underlined in nums2, 1, 3, 4, 2. Okay, so 4 is underlined in nums2. There is no next greater element. So the answer is -1. So that's why there is output I am coming -1, because there is not any greater element. Okay, here if you see, highlight underline the 4. Now, here 1, then the 1 is underlined in nums2. If you see here, the 1 is underlined in number 2 because the greater element is 3. So that's why the greater element is 3. So that's why in the second our output is becoming 3. Then 2 is underlined in nums2. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2. So we underline the 2. So there is no next greater element. So the answer is -1. Here you can see it there also. So if you see the example 2, here he created one nums1 integer array by the name of, in which he wrote it down 2, 4, and then he created one more nums integer array by the name of nums2 in which he wrote it down 1, 2, 3, 4, and the output is coming 3 -1 because the next greater element for each value of nums1 is follows. 2 is underlined nums2 like 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next greater element is 3. So that's why the output is coming 3. So then he wrote it down 4 is underlined in nums2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no next greater element. So the answer is -1. Means that after the 4 there is not any greater element. So that's why the output has been coming -1. And these are the constants which we use to solve this question. But anyways, let's start to solve this question. I hope your whole concept will be clear about it, about this question. Okay, so let's start to solve it. So now let's start and let's see the topic question about. Topic question about array, hash table, stack and monotonic stack. And submission is 1.3 million people have submitted this, and only 9,98,000 is accepted, and acceptance rate is 74.1%. So this is an easy one which we are solving, and I think so this is easy. Okay, easy question. So now let's start to solve it, and like all the people know, whenever we start to solve any question, we start to solve it in the Python 3. Okay, So first of all, we define a class of a solution, because this is a rule of a LeetCode camp. Whenever you start to solve any question, so first of all you define a class of a solution, then you will be solve it. Def keyword next greater element self comma nums1. Let's define here int, means that nums1. Why write here nums1 and let's square bracket int? Because nums1 is our integer array, so that's why. Then here I define the same thing as I defined before in the nums1. Here I define list int, because nums2 is also one integer array. List int enter stack hash map. Then define here output. Perfect. Enter enter. Now define for loop I in reverse nums2 semicolon enter. Now define your while loop in which you define stack enter. Now here define one comment. In this comment here we found the nearest greater element. Okay. Now in the next line here we found the nearest greater element. So first of all, if you want to find this, so you will define a if statement, then stack -1 greater than I, then semicolon. Then hash map I great equals to stack -1 enter. Stack dot append I. Perfect. Define a break statement, and then in the break statement do not define any semicolon, and break statement is help to break statement will pause starting thing. Okay. Now define a else statement stack dot pop. So the pop method will delete all the things, okay, in the stack. Now here in the next line here stack is empty initially or was popped till empty. Okay, so that means stack is empty. If you see stack is empty initially or was popped till empty. So if statement not stack hash map I -1 enter press. Define a stack. So I will be append means I am merging stack with I. Okay, so I will be use append method to merge these both things. Okay, so back. So define here for loop j in nums1 enter. Now define here output dot append. Define here hash map square bracket j. Enter back return output. Perfect. So here we return our output. So I hope our all the codes we have written down. So I hope when we will be run it, so the running code is perfect. So when I run this code, so the running code is error. It is giving me the error in the line in the 18 line. It is giving me the error. So let's see the error hash map -1 here I written down. What is the error? Let's read the error. List assignment index out of range. Okay, out of range. List assignment index out of range. List assignment out of range. Okay, let's see what is the error. List, it is saying me list element is out of. Okay, what I am doing minor. Okay, here let me. Okay, why it is not coming? Okay, now right here -1 and I here you wrote it down. Right here semicolon. Now let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so I hope it will be perfect. So it is giving me a runtime error in this line. Always -1 greater than I here I wrote it down. Hash map square bracket I. Okay, let's see the error. Okay, nums2 -1 greater than I. Here we write I. Here we write hash map equals to I. Append with here you write nums1. Okay, please see that anywhere you do not write as means because we write nums, so you write by the mistake you write num, so see that also. So now let's see the running code now. So when I run this code, so now the running code has been perfect. So here you can see it. In our case 1, our expected output is this, my also output I am coming this. In the case 2, the expected output is this, and my also output I am coming this. So let's see the submission code, because this is a very main thing. So when I submit this code, the submission code is also be accepted. We solve in the 1 milliseconds, and I beat 52.10% people. So let's paste this solution, easy solution in Python 3. Davrian, subscribe. And now I'm posting this solution. I posted. So now here you can see in today's video we solve our question number 496 by the name of next greater element 1. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you know over these type of videos on the channel. So now let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos on the channel. So now for today, goodbye.